Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware and network. Make sure the TV advertises Wi-Fi or a casting protocol. Next, connect your phone to the same router network or create a hotspot. This lets devices see each other. Turn on phone Wi-Fi and any required permissions like Bluetooth or location, because some discovery services need them. Once done, open the casting or screen mirroring control on your phone so it can search for your TV. This is the action that initiates the link. You now launch the actual casting flow. Pull down Quick Settings or Control Center, tap Cast or Screen Mirroring, or use an app's built-in cast icon. This tells your phone to look for receivers. Choose the TV by name and accept pairing on the TV if prompted. That confirmation prevents unintended connections. If video or audio performance is poor, change the streaming quality in the app or lower phone resolution, because reducing bitrate eases network load and stabilizes playback. Finish by stopping casting through the phone's control panel or the app's cast button. That cleanly releases the TV. If connection fails or disconnects, reboot the phone, the TV, and the router in sequence. This clears temporary network conflicts. Also, make sure both devices run the latest firmware or app version and prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce interference and improve throughput. If problems persist, temporarily use a wired adapter or a dedicated streaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.